Hello, Sasha. This is Coach Twitty again. I want to help you become a better shooter, but first we have to focus on balancing the basketball in your shooting hand. Whichever hand you decide to shoot with, it has to be either the left hand or the right hand. You cannot shoot with two hands. One hand will be used for the balancing of the ball. That's going to be your shooting hand. The opposite hand is going to be your guide hand. I want you to focus on where you place your hand on the basketball. Your hand needs to be placed underneath the basketball. And as you can see in this video, the best way to know that your hand is underneath the basketball is by holding the basketball out and balance the basketball, and then bring the basketball close to your body by turning the basketball around with just one hand and making sure you're able to balance the basketball with that hand. Okay, and as you can see, your hand remains at the bottom of the basketball. You should be able to point to the top of the basketball with your opposite hand. Okay, once you're able to do this and hold the basketball up for about 5 seconds without the basketball falling, now you're ready to shoot the basketball. But first I want you to practice extending your hand out and then bringing your hand back in without losing the basketball at least 5 times, and then work your way up to 10 times. Okay, good luck. Keep me posted. This is your journey. Enjoy your journey.